Good morning, students. Today we are going to do problems based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is interesting to solve maths problems using numbers in our daily life. Look children, here is a simple addition chart here. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pink balloons. And there are 1, 2 blue balloons. Okay. Now you have to find out the total number of balloons. So 5 pink balloons plus 2 blue balloons. So total how many balloons will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Okay. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Alright. So I am adding some more balloons here. So I am adding one more balloon with pink balloons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pink balloons and 1, 2, 3 blue balloons. Now you have to find the total number of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6 pink balloons and 3 blue balloons. So 6 plus 3, 9 balloons. The total number of balloons will be 9 balloons. Is that clear? Here is a word problem on addition. Okay, addition means adding together. The problem is Manu has 316 balloons and Ali has 123 balloons. How many balloons do they both have all together? Okay, how many balloons Manu has? 316 balloons. And Ali has how many balloons? 123 balloons. So you have to add both the balloons and find all together how many balloons they will be having. All together means you have to add. Okay. Now the statements. Number of balloons Manu has. Manu has how many balloons? 316 balloons. Okay. Now number of balloons Ali has. Ali has how many balloons? 123. So you will add it. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 439. So they have how many balloons? 439 balloons all together. Okay. Children, now we will be doing word problems on subtraction. Here is an example. See, here are some pens. I am counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pens I have. Okay, total 9 pens I have. So I am taking away 3 red pens from here. From 9 pens, I am taking away 3 red pens. Okay, now you have to count how many pens are remaining. How many black pens are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 black pens are remaining. That means from 9 pens I have taken out 3 red pens and 6 black pens are remaining. That means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Is that clear? Now children, look at the board. Word problems on subtraction. Subtraction means take away. The problem is Sonu bought 185 eggs. Of this, 12 eggs were broken on the way. So how many eggs are left with Sonu now? So left with means you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So how many eggs Sonu bought? He bought 185 85 eggs. The statements: number of eggs Sonu bought 185. Now, second statement: number of eggs broken. How many eggs were broken on the way? 12 eggs were broken on the way. Okay, 12. So you have to subtract it. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 1, 7. And 1 you will be writing here. So how many eggs are left with him? 173. So Sonu has 173 eggs with him now. Okay. Now children, we will be doing multiplications problem sums. Okay. Now here is an example. Here I have 5 munches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 munches I have. So the cost of each munch is 10 rupees. Okay. Now you have to find out the total cost of 5 munches. Right. Now first munch costs 10 rupees. Okay. Then 10 plus 10, 20 rupees. Okay. Then 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. Then 40 plus 10, 50 rupees. Okay. Now you can say 5 tens are 50. Right. 5 munches will cost 50 rupees. Is that clear? Children, we will be doing the same question here. The word problems on multiplication. There are 5 munches. Each munch cost rupees 10. Find the cost of 5 munches. Just now we were showing that. So the number of munches, how many munches were there? 5. And the cost of 1 munch, how much it was? Rupees 10. Now you have to find the cost of 5 munches. So you will be doing the multiplication 5 into 10. So 5 tens are 50. So it will be rupees 50. Okay. So children, here is one more example for multiplication problem. Now look here. Here are 5 shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts. Okay. So each shirt has 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. Okay. So you have to find out how many buttons will have 5 shirts. Okay. So you have to find how many shirts are there? 5. How many buttons are there on each shirt? 6. So 5, 6 are 30. Okay. And you can use the repeated addition also. So you can count 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. Okay. 5, 6 are 30. Or you can count all the buttons together. Then also you will get 30. The answer will be 5, 6 are 30. So the same thing is written on the board. The word problem on multiplication. There are 5 shirts in a bag. Each shirt has 6 buttons. So how many buttons are there in 5 shirts? So the statements are number of shirts. How many shirts are there? 5. Okay. Now number of buttons. How many buttons are there? 6 buttons each on shirt. 6. So you will be multiplying 5 into 6. So 5, 6 are 30. Okay. Now number of buttons in 5 shirts will be 5, 6 are 30 buttons. Okay. So children, our next problem is based on division. Division means equal distribution. Here is the problem. There are 15 marbles. Each boy gets 3 marbles. So how many boys would get 3 marbles each? So we have to divide 15 by 3. Okay, groups of 3 we have to make. Here are 15 marbles. So we will be making groups of 3. So first group, second, third, fourth and fifth. So how many groups we have made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Alright. So children, here is one more example. Here are 12 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 apples. This has to be equally divided among 4 girls. Okay, so how many apples one girl will get? So you can divide them into 4. So 1, 2, 3 apples will get the first girl. Again 1, 2, 3 apples will get the second girl. 1, 2, 3 apple will get the third girl, and 1, 2, 3 apples will get the fourth girl. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Now children, worksheets related to this will be uploaded on your school websites. Kindly go through them and practice. Thank you.